Hi, this is Becky Grumlick with the Watercolor Classroom and Tuesday's Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to stretch paper. This is already a painting. You can stretch paper before or after you paint it. But with really big ones, it's better to stretch them before and then just paint on a board. So when I after I got done painting this, it was curved like this. And because this takes a while, I went on and put my first coat of water on and I let it sit for at least 5 minutes so that it has relaxed a lot just from sitting and absorbing the water. I only put water on the back of the paper, and the reason for that is because the front has sizing, and getting it wet, even just soaking it and not rubbing it with a sponge, can make it lose its sizing. And then paint does not go on it the same way. It soaks in. And then I dry up around it because you don't want to get any water on this side. And then I wait another 5 minutes. Okay, the 5 minutes are up. And this is gator board. You can also do this on board, plywood board. That's 1/4 inch. But I find them kind of heavy to carry for really big ones, and also my 1/4 inch stapler tends to go all the way through and then it can scratch your table. So I use this gator board. It does not last forever, and really big paintings on gator board can pull out of the board because the staples are not as firmly in as they are in plywood. So that is up to you. I still do it on gator board, and if I have to, I restretch it afterwards. So you put the painting down, and it's still damp on the back. Things like bleed-proof white will get damp again, so you can see right there that it is damp, and probably some of these snowflakes are too, because they were done with bleed-proof white. And now you take a regular stapler and open it, and you start with the corners. And you don't pull it, stretch it, because otherwise it can curl up past the staples and you still have some kinds of issues. And then I pull a little bit, just enough to make sure it's flat, not enough to actually stretch it. The paper has already stretched just by absorbing that much water. Then I go halfway between, and either halfway between again or in thirds. And I'm not going to make you listen to all of that stapling. But I'll do that all the way around so that they're about 1 inch apart. And here's a painting that is already finished. And so I'm going to show you how I take it off. You cannot pull it off if your paper's not all the way dry, because you can tear your paper very easily that way. And then I go around and I push down so that the staples are kind of loose. Then I pick them out. I hope you like this video and that you will subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.